everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Gennetta and this is Being GTV. Today I am sharing a day in the life, weekend edition. This was a cloudy Saturday morning and I'm just cleaning up after breakfast and also taking some things out that I need for meal prep later. My hubby is on his way to the gym and I'm going to stay back and do a home workout. I've been doing the Ting workouts for a few weeks and I really like them. They keep your heart rate up and I'm drenched in sweat afterwards, so I really feel accomplished. If you're interested, I will leave a link in the description box below. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and finish the video and I hope you enjoy.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Get enough. Don't ever let me be away from you. I'm gonna hold you tight, hold you tight. 'Cause you're the only thing that I can't lose. I never needed you to give me things. I never needed you to diamond rings. All I ever need, all I ever need is here with you. There's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? I just wanna be with you. Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? Baby, there's a place where we can go, where it's always shining like the snow. Listen to your heartbeat, don't you know that I just wanna be with you? I can't get enough, I can't get enough. I can't get enough, I can't get enough.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner.
For meal prep, I'm going to have white rice. I am reheating a rotisserie chicken that we picked up from Sam's Club the night before. And I'm going to make some mixed veggies using bok choy, carrots, and shiitake mushrooms.
You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game. And if you were me, you would do the same. Man, I really love to play. And now that I won, then it's safe to say, no, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. It was so easy when we met. Future ahead of us, making memories. Our only hope is to forget and keep that passage closed for centuries. 'Cause I can't take it anymore. Forgetting what I'm fighting for. And your words just stop, don't hold me back. Don't hold me back. Just let me go, just let me go. I need to get it off my mind.
So that's it for meal prep for the week. Now I am going to eat some of this chicken and rice, and I'm gonna head out and run to the store really quickly. I am on my way to Old Navy to pick out some new workout pants, or to see what workout pants they have, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. I ended up getting the black set. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye.